Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2008 Explorer Sport Trac. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, power brakes, sync, satellite communications, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.